Are your apps not working because of the Ssleay32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. This DLL file is a core component of the OpenSSL toolkit, providing SSL and TLS encryption protocols. It is used by Windows applications to establish secure network connections and handle encrypted data transfers over the internet. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. To resolve this, keep in mind that the Ssleay32.dll is typically installed with parent software suite, the software where you encountered your error. Reinstalling the latest version of the application from the official developer source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including the missing library. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the Ssleay32. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Replacing the Ssleay32 without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If you're looking to streamline system performance, the link in the description references a maintenance tool associated with the Ssleay32. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped your parent software suite workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.